Alright, so for the next game I want all the Vidishaks on stage. This game is called Back in My Day. So what we do is like we take a suggestion, some suggestion from past, something that didn't exist 10 years back, 5 years back, whatever. And this guy's gonna start acting out, saying like back in my day, this didn't exist but something else existed. And each other person follows them, they have to pick up a question from what the other person has said in the previous line and they follow it up. So it has supposed to go back on time, go back in time. इतना भी दूर नहीं जाना है वैसे सालों के सालों में, मतलब reasonably like within 100 years or something like that. So okay, so having said that, give me a kitchen utensil that you used 10 years back but अभी use नहीं हो रहा. Or just give me a kitchen utensil. How difficult? Huh? Baler. Baler is a suggestion. Are you ready?
Yes.
Applause.
Back in my day, there were no balance. We all used to make the rotis by stamping them, and we used to put some sauce and oil and.
Back in my day, there were no belan. There were no proper places to sit either. So we would put the atta on the ground and we would sit on it to compress it. Back in my days, there was no atta. There was only rice, and either you liked it to eat the rice, either you go hungry. Or
Back in my day, there was no rice. We used to stay in north of India, and there were lot of chapatis, and then lot of chicken. Very nice chicken.
Back in my day, there is no chapati. खाली गेहूँ उसको भी पकाया, नहीं खाया और किचन में गए एक कड़छा लिया.
Alright, pause. For the next suggestion, give me a mode of transport. Mode of transport. Something that you use for skateboard. Skateboard. आओ आप पहले आओ.
हमारे जमाने में स्केट बोर्ड नहीं हुआ करता था. हम लोग साइकिल ली, 2 पहिया मारा तो घर पहुंच गए. साला पूरा तो.
back in my day, there was no cycle. We only had wheels. So we just rolled the wheel and walked alongside it. Back in my days, there were no wheels. Round had not been invented. We thought the world was square. So we took.
Pause. I think we have reached the stone age, so we'll come back. For next suggestion, tell me something that a stationary item. Stationary item.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Pencil more black days.
Pencil. एक बार pencil, 2 बार pencil, 3 बार pencil.
Back in my days, we did not have pencils, so we used quills to write, quills and feathers to write, and then we.
Back in my day, we didn't have any quills because we didn't have any birds and we didn't have any porcupines or any other animal. हमारे ज़माने में कोई quills नहीं, कागज से एक कागज होता, उसमें चिट्ठी लिखी, बात था.
हमारे ज़माने में क्या होता है, कागज भी नहीं था. हम लोग तो कपड़ा लेते थे, फाड़ते थे कैंची से, उस पे कुछ लिखा.
Back in my day, there were no clothes. We wore 3 buds, but sometimes we lost those also. Then we wore the sky.
इसके पहले कि हमारे कपड़े उतर जाए, suggestion. One last one. Give me something that you use in bathroom. आप लोग क्या यूज़ करते हो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन soap. Soap. Yes.
अरे हमारे जमाने में सोप वोप नहीं होते थे, गंगा की मिट्टी से हम लोग नहाते थे सुबह शाम। हाँ, बहुत पौष्टिक रहता था, लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स इन दैट मिट्टी। एंड ऑल्सो
हमारे ज़माने में प्रोटीन टैबलेट नहीं होते थे, तो इसीलिए सब कोई वो वेजिटेबल राइस यही सब खाया करते थे और इसीलिए सब बहुत हेल्दी हुआ करते थे। और
हमारे ज़माने में कोई हेल्दी नहीं था क्योंकि कोई हेल्दी फूड खाता ही नहीं था। हम तो बहुत सारा मसाले डाल के कस के बना के खाते। क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Pause. Do you want to play one round of Indian?
We already did.
I know.
Okay.
Do you guys want to play? I mean, not play, but do you want to see one round? You know, Indian, the game that we played just before. We'll just do one of them. So, for Sajjan, give me something of furniture. Furniture that we use in the house.
Lazy boy.
Furniture.
Lazy boy.
Lazy boy.
Recliner.
Recliner. Recliner.
Okay.
Ready? I like my women as I like my recliners. I can lie on them.
I like my men like I like my recliners. Give me lots of stuff. I like my men like I like my recliners. I can lie on them, I mean to them.
I like the recliner as I like my woman. I can set to any position. I like my women as I like my recliners, where I can hide my remotes. And I like my women as I like my recliners. I can just sit on them, relax, and
I like my men like I like my recliners. Right by the window.
I like women like I like my recliner, strong and can support me.
I like my men like I like my recliners. One in the bedroom, one in the kitchen, one in the living room.
Sing! Alright, so